To create a reading assessment, just go to Assessments, and your list of assessments would be here. There are no assessments right now, but I'm going to add an assessment. So to add anything, just press the plus button in the top corner, and I'm going to Reading, the orange. I didn't quite press that. Press it again. Now there's two types of reading assessments: a quick reading assessment or a full reading record, like a running record. So I'm going to do just the quick reading assessment right now. So basically this is just like the other forms for every other assessment. You type in the title. So maybe I'm going to call this October Quick Read or something. I'll just call it October Quick because it's already set as reading. And I'm not going to bother putting a value on here. I'm going to change this to, okay, I'll leave it a grade 1, I guess. I can change the date. Term, I'll put the term in as term 1. Alright, I'm going to leave everything else blank, and I'm just going to go next to the top. And I'm going to put my rating scale in. So I can use yes, no, 3 point, 4 point, 5 point, or another system. I'm just going to go with the 3 point. Already it creates my rating scale. And so beginning is 1, on your way is 2, and got it is 3. So I'm going to press submit. And just because it's the first time I've gone into this now, it just kind of tells me this expand arrow on the side. That's how you get the full information for the assessment. So I'm just going to put got it. And so you can see here I have my class list and a text title level. So I use this for like a quick reading assessment. I bring students up, whatever book they're reading. I just want to hear them read for a little bit. I'll just type the text in. Now this does automatically have a bunch of text already in here. Any text that you've entered into the little text database, which I'll show you in another video. You can have a bunch already in here, and then it'll automatically put the level and the title. It's just easier to select, and it also do the word count and other things too, which aren't really important in this particular assessment. But so I'm going to pretend it's not here though, because it's just a random book they brought up, or it could be a leveled book, but I just don't have them all entered in here. So I'm just going to say Jane's Bike. I'm just making that up. Jane's Bike. Level. I can choose, I can type anything from letters to numbers to whatever. So I'll just say it's level 6. And then I would really right now click evidence. And I would normally record as they read to me, just so I can have can send that home to the parents, especially if I want to comment on their fluency. So I would just click audio. It brings this up. I press start, and they start reading, and it really picks it up pretty well when they're reading, even when there's background noise, as class is still working and everything. And whenever they're done, I just put save. And so you can see it saves a little video there, a little audio file there. And so now I'm going to just go through and just say how they did for accuracy, fluency, comprehension. So let's say accuracy, they were on your way. Fluency, let's say on your way to. And comprehension, let's say they got the comprehension. Overall, I'm going to say they're on their way. And I could put a comment in here, working on fluency or working on whatever, or I can just leave it like that and call the next person up. I tend to use this for just to get a quick idea of where students are, and so that I can keep, especially in the younger grades, primary to 2, they move through levels so quickly that if you wait to do a full reading record every time, it just takes too long to get to everyone. So often I'll just do quick, I'll bring them up. I often don't even ask comprehension questions for this. Just do the quick read, see kind of if the level's okay. And then I'll do the full reading records, every now and then to really check for that comprehension component and that sort of thing. So basically that's it. I just go to the next person and repeat the process.